Very good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen integral calculus exercise 2.1. So type 1 questions. So let us see now second type 2. What are the formulas that are included in this? The first formula is integral 1 by x dx. What is the formula for integral 1 by x dx? Means log x. And second formula integral 1 by ax plus b dx. This is also 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c plus c. Based on these two formulas, we shall do some questions here. The first example from 2.9, integral. Evaluate integral 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by x dx. Now let us see how to do this question. Answer: integral. So since denominator is single, we can divide for every number. So it will become 3x square by x dx plus 2x by x dx plus 1 dx. So we can take the constants outside, so x and x gets cancelled. So 3 integral x dx, x gets cancelled, 2 we can take outside, integral dx. So 1 we can take outside, integral dx. So integral x means x power 1, so it will become 3x square by 2 plus 2 integral nothing, that means x plus 1 integral nothing, that means x, 1 into x. So 2x plus x is 3x. So the final answer is 3x square by 2 plus 3x. Oh sorry, here 1 by x now. So 1 by x integral. What is the value of 1 by x here? So 1 by x integral will be log x. So here it is log x. So 2x plus log x. We'll be doing next example 3.0. So let us see the question. 2.10, example 2.10. So the question is evaluate integral 2 by 3x plus 5 dx. Integral 2 by 3x plus 5 dx. So we can take number outside, integral 1 by 3x plus 5 dx. So we already know that integral of 1 by ax plus b. 1 by ax plus b, what will be the integral? Log mod only. So 2 as such only. So log mod 3x plus 5 by, what is extra here? 3 is extra for x, so by 3. So final answer will be 2 by 3 log of modulus 3x plus 5 plus c. So immediately after integration, if it is completed, we have to put plus c. Constant of integration. Next, let us see 2.11, another question. Example 2.11. Evaluate integral x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 dx. Answer: integral x square plus 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into dx. Now if you observe here in the denominator there is a binomial, so definitely we have to do division of this quadratic polynomial divided by the linear polynomial. So for that, what we will do, first let us try to split this. So this can be split as here x square plus 2x plus 3. So how can we write this? X square plus 2x plus 3. So let me make it as 2x plus 1 plus 2 3 I am writing it as 1 plus 2. Why I am writing? Because it is becoming a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by x plus 1 dx. So integral, it will become x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 dx. So we can write individual now. So that is integral of x plus 1 whole square by x plus 1 dx plus 2 into integral of 1 by x plus 1 dx. So is equals to this square and this one gets cancelled. What will be left here? X plus 1 dx plus 2 into, it will become log of x plus 1. So here x integral will be x square by 2. One integral is x plus 2 into log of x plus 1 plus c. So this will be the final answer. So next, let us see example 2.12. So integral x cube plus 5x square minus 9 divided by x plus 2 dx. So here we cannot split y because it is x cube now. So let us start doing division. If I do x plus 2 divided by x cube plus 5x square minus 9. So step 1, x cube by x, it will become x cube by x, what it will become? X square. So x square here, x cube plus 2x square. So plus becomes minus, this two gets cancelled. Here it is 3x square. Next term is 9. So 3x square divided by x, which is 3x. So x square plus 3x here. So 3x into x, 3x square plus 6x. So plus becomes minus, so answer is minus 6x minus 9. Another step here, minus 6x by x, which is minus 6. So here minus 6x minus 12. So it becomes plus, answer is 3. So the remainder we are getting it as 3. Now this can be written as here x square plus 3x minus 6. What is the remainder here? 3 divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now if I am applying, now this is the integration only, this we can write it as integration dx. So if we don't know how to solve this, directly we can go with the division method, polynomials division, right? Now we will apply the integration here. What it will become here? X cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus 6x plus 3 log x plus 2 plus, in a single step answer will give. Example 2.13, evaluate integral 7x minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. See here carefully. See, if denominator means we cannot perform division here, right? Because obviously that the degree of the denominator is more than the degree of the numerator, we cannot perform division. So for that reason we will use the concept of partial fractions. So the concept of partial fractions here, we can write this here, x square minus 5x plus 6 now. That can be split like this here. 6 can be written as 3 to the, so I can write it as minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 dx. So integral 7x minus 1 by I can take x common, so x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3 dx. So integral 7x minus 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 2 dx. So this is the way we can split this denominator. Now question arises that how to use this concept of partial fractions. Now if you see the denominator, we are having the two factors. That two factors can be split with the names, letters A and B. How I'm going to split here. This can be written as here integral 7x minus 1 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to A by x minus 3 plus B by x minus 2. Since it is a linear, so no need of mentioning any AX like that. So if it is a quadratic, we have to mention. So since it is a linear, so directly A by B by. If I are getting x minus 1 some other, so it will become C by. So now let us do the LCM for this. So we know what is the LCM over here. So we should not keep the integration. We are doing partial fractions now. So what is the LCM here? X minus 3 into x minus 2. So what it will become? A into x minus 2 plus B into x minus 3. Here 7x minus 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 2. So these two gets cancelled. So the left terms are 7x minus 1 is equals to A into x minus 2 plus B into x minus 3. Now if I want A value, then I have to substitute in case of x as 3. If x is equals to 3, if we are substituting x is equals to 3, what will happen here? 3 minus 3 is 0, B value will be 0. So that I will get A value. So 7 3s are here, 21 minus 1 is equals to A into 3 minus 2. Here no need of writing plus B into 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 into B is 0. So 20 is equals to A. A value how much I got? 20. Now let me find out similarly the B value. So what I have to substitute? If x is equals to 2. If I substitute x is equals to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So A will become 0. So what will happen here? 7 into 2 minus 1 is equals to B into 2 minus 3. That is 14 minus 1 is 13 is equals to B into minus 1. So minus 13 is B value. What is the B value here? Minus 13. Now we will replace A and B by their values. Now let us apply the integration here. Integration. Now in place of A, what we have to write here? 20. In place of B, we have to write it as minus 13 here dx. Here also dx. So this can be written individually, that is 1 by x minus 3 dx. So plus into minus, minus 13 integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. So 20 log of x minus 3 minus 13 log of x minus 2 plus c. Next, let us see example 2.14. Evaluate integral 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 dx. This is the question. So same concept here, the degree here it is x square into x cube. We cannot perform the division, so we have to go with the partial fractions. So this I will write like this: 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 whole square into x minus. After solving, we will apply integration. So a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 whole square plus c by x minus 3. So look at here square and 1 are totally 3 terms: a, b, c. A is x minus 2, b is x minus 2 whole square, c is x minus 3. Now, what is the LCM here? 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 is equals to, here the LCM is x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Here x minus 2 is there, another x minus 2 is not there, so it will become a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 2 whole square. These two gets cancelled. So the left terms are 3x plus 2 is equals to a into x minus 3 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 2 whole square. Now how to get these values? Here, if I am assuming here 3 na, if x is 3, if x is 3 means here 3 minus 3 this is 0, 3 minus 3 this is 0, so we are going to get c value. So if x is 3 means then 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to, this is 0, no need of writing, c into 3 minus 2 whole square. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 is equals to c in c. C value is 8. Next, let us see this. If I am assuming x is 2, if x is 2, let us see that if x is 2, what will happen? Then here 3 into 2 plus 2 is equals to, here 2 and 2 gets 0, so b into 2 minus 3. So 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 is equals to b into minus 1, which is minus 8 is b value. So b value here is minus 8. Sorry, previous case it is x is 3 now, have substituted 2. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So c value is 11 and b value is minus 8. Now there is, why? Because here 3 there I have substituted 3, I have substituted 2. So last case we will substitute if x is 0. What will happen? If x is 0, then 3 into 0, 0. So 2 is equals to minus 3 minus 2 means plus 6. 6a minus 3b. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2 square is 4 plus 4c. Okay. Now substitute the a, b, and c values in this. So 2 into 6a minus 3 is the 24 plus 4 11s are 44. So 24 plus 44 is 66. 6a 2. So it will become minus 64 is equal to 6a. So minus 64 by 6 means minus 32 by 3 is equal to a value. Okay, here not 66, it is 68. So here it will be 66. So we are going to get minus 66 by 6, which is minus 11. So a value is minus 11. So this is the way of doing the partial fractions. Now let us apply ABC values in the given. So if I'm applying inverted another step, I'm writing directly here dx. So if I substitute a value, what is a value? Minus 11 by x minus 2 dx plus, what is b value? Minus 8 by x minus 2 whole square dx plus, what is c? 11 by x minus 3 dx integral. So minus 11 we can transpose outside, it will become 1 by x minus 2 dx minus 8 integral 1 by x minus 2 whole square dx, 11 integral 1 by x minus 3 dx. Next, so it will become minus 11, 1 by x integration is log x, So log of x minus 2. So minus 8. Integration of 1 by x square. Integration of 1 by x square will be minus 1 by x. Minus into minus will become plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 11 into log of x minus 3 plus